Hey guys, I'm Justin Mitchell here at MarineMax Dallas here in beautiful Lewisville, Texas. As you can see, I'm standing in front of this just jaw-dropping navy blue Mastercraft X24. This beast is fully optioned out with just about every option you can think to put on it, and it's got that massive 6.2 liter ILMOR engine in the back. Let's hop inside, let me show you the good times. Hanging on back here at the transom of the boat, as you can see, we have this very convenient flip-up swim platform. After those long sets where your legs and arms are just dead, nice and easy to climb in the boat, or if you like to bring your four-legged friends out on the lake, makes it super easy for those dogs to get in and out. One of my favorite features we have on this boat, if you look down here underneath, is going to be our stern thruster. This guy makes it absolutely flawless and easy just to come in and out of any slip, trailer, or tight spot you come in on the lake when you're coming in and out of that marina. Still hanging out back here on the transom. Once you hop up on the boat, you have these awesome flip-up leg rests back here that hide right up underneath the seats, so once you're ready to surf or go have your fun, they stow nice away and easy. And then of course we have our transom control remote right here for our radio. While you're hanging out at Party Cove or at the tie-up, you can always control the tunes back here. One of the secrets to the Mastercraft X24 is what I like to call the pizza oven right here. Once you open this guy up, this is just a nice little compartment that's sitting right above your engine. I like to throw my life jacket and wetsuit in there and even my towel. And that way on those days, especially like now in November, where you go to get in the water and you know it's gonna be chilly, your life jacket and your wetsuit feels like it just came out of the dryer. This is an awesome compartment to let your stuff warm up in. And it's also just nice, you can keep all the wet stuff at the back of the boat and you're not getting everyone in the boat soaked when you get back out and you start taking everything off. You can always put it just right there. The X24 is set up to put on a show. As you can see, 5 seats right here, either flip up, swivel, or adjust, so that way you can see all the fun that's happening on the boat back there. One of my favorite parts of this is usually you're used to having one person sit here in the observer seat. Now you can comfortably have 2 people sit here, be able to watch all the fun back there, and get everyone involved into all the riding that's going on. New for 2025, Mastercraft has come in and absolutely revamped the entire interface of the dash. We do have the new knob over here to make it nice and easy while you're going down the lake. You don't have to worry about hitting the wrong buttons or anything. All your quick access points are right there. Another cool thing about this boat is we not have one, but we have one subwoofer right there. And then through the walk-through up to the bow, we have another subwoofer right here. This clips audio in this X24 is guaranteed to make you the loudest person on the lake. As you can see, in the X24, even in front of the helm, in the bow, there is so much storage. I'm 6 feet tall and I fit in here. Thank you guys for walking through this boat with me. I'm Justin Mitchell here at the beautiful MarineMax Dallas in Lewisville, Texas. If you're interested in this boat, come by, hit me up, and I'd be more than happy to show you this X24.